Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable raise to wake on Oppo phone. Friends, you want to enable raise to wake on your Oppo phone. So how to enable raise to wake today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you don't know about what is raise to wake, how to enable and use, I will show you in this video. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, click on lock screen setting. Friends, you want to change your Oppo phone home screen mode. You can change friends your home screen mode from a standard driver in simple mode. You can select and you can change. Friends, you want to change your home screen layout. So you can change your home screen layout from here. Friends, lock screen setting, raise to wake setting is here. So guys, we will enable raise to wake. After enable guys, how to use it. First of all, what will you have to do? Of your lock phone screen, and guys when you will pick up your phone, friends your screen will on automatic. As you can see, when I will pick up my phone, then screen on automatic, off, on, off, on, off. So guys we call it raise to wake setting guys. So once you want to enable, you want to raise to wake setting, so you can enable friends and you can use on your Oppo phone device. And friends, you don't want to use, direct click on friends search option, raise to wake setting. Friends, you can see raise to wake guys, click here. Direct friends you can disable. After disable friends you can see we will lock screen, and when we will pick up our phone guys, screen will not on and off automatic. Friends, you can see screen will not on. So you want to on, you will have to on, click on power off button. So like that friends, you can enable and use raise to wake setting on your Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubts, so then you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.